Good morning, good morning, good morning. Maybe I should just say something. I see there's a lot of people that got things to say suddenly about Jocelyn. Now let me just say two things there. Number one, we have and we will never stop looking for Jocelyn. Every month, the private detectives working and looking and investigating is being paid by me. I'm the one paying them to look for Jocelyn. So don't say we've forgotten about Jocelyn or we use Jocelyn for political reasons. Be honest. Every person that has been found guilty in that case, who took them to the police station? Who handed them over to the police? We did it. So don't come here and try to score political points. We don't talk about it because we don't want to jeopardize the investigation so far, because we know the masterminds are still out there. We know that. We know that. So we let the people that's cleverer and got more experience, they're the ones handling it. But don't come here and say we've forgotten about Jocelyn. No. No. We're not going to allow you. We've allowed nonsense, but this nonsense will not allow. That's all I wanted to say this morning, to say that the investigation looking for that green-eyed child of us is still very ongoing, and it will not stop. It will not stop. Let me tell you something. And the people that have been found guilty, we are the ones that took them to the police station. While you were sleeping in your warm bed, we were the ones running around, going crazy. We were the ones looking for that beautiful child. So don't come here today and want to find a voice. You just woke up now. Where's Jocelyn? Where's Jocelyn? No, we've never stopped looking for her. Salute.